Few words from FutureTrend channel regarding analysis of commodity currencies for the date of 24th of May 2018. Here the situation is dictated by kind of possible correction in the United States dollar strength, because as you know, yesterday's minutes of the last Fed's meeting was not so encouraging for the United States dollar bulls. At the moment we have falling United States Treasury yields. As you know, the yields of 10-year benchmark Treasury yields is trading below 3%, around 2.98, 2.99, and of course to really see a kind of stronger correction in the United States dollar, we need some other confirming factors, like for example stronger economic indicators from other parts of the world, as we already told during our previous reports, and at the same time we need some weaker economic story of the United States, which we still missing at the moment, and that's why the United States dollar, to say the truth, could remain buoyant in the nearest future. Let's say the chart at the moment, and as usually we start from Australian dollar, which is at 75.66 at the moment. We still keep our long trade recommendation, and we suggest that in the coming sessions, even in the coming sessions, the pair could extend its rise and possibly reach its 2018 downtrend located around 76.70. We suggest that taking into account the let's say not so hawkish comments, not so hawkish minutes of the last MPC on the last Federal Open Market Committee meeting, Australian dollar should remain on the upside during coming hours of trading. The same applies, by the way, for the New Zealand dollar, but we still suggest to stay on the sidelines, because from the point of view of risk-reward consideration, here the situation is not so welcome to initiate any kind of long position right now. But for those of you who are looking to catch the lows, probably it's time to be engaged in some of long kiwi positions, because from the point of view of technical indicators, probably the pair should remain in the consolidation mode right now, and that applies that we even can reach the level of 71.50 correctively, of course, in the coming hours and sessions. Canadian dollar also, here the situation is not so clear. Anyway, among the camp of sellers to the area, and once again we told that while below a longer term line, the downtrend line of 2015-2018 located around 130.60, the dollar Canada is a sell-on rally. Dollar ruble, and here the situation is also, as we suggest, not so bad for the Russian ruble, because from the point of view of higher energy prices and some of other factors, the Russian ruble could extend its could extend its move to the upside. I mean the Russian ruble against the United States dollar. In case of dollar ruble, the pair could extend has some room to depreciate, and from that point of view we will use a possible decline to below 60.60 to buy the pair with a stop below 60.30. That's kind of view of short-term trading opportunity. Thank you very much for all of your attention. We wish you all the best during the day, a profitable one, and see you later.